All right, guys, let's talk about the Quick Draw air filter system from Tusk for the CRF110. Now, these bikes stock come really choked down through not only the intake tube from the airbox to your throttle body, but also the mesh screen that mounts your filter. Now, it's a pretty dense screen that comes on that stock, and it does restrict airflow. So to make more power, you've got to feed the motor more air, right? And more fuel. So to help get around that, we've developed this Tusk Quick Draw air filter system. And so this is a new filter cage that virtually eliminates that backfire screen and the other mesh that's on your stock screen. And it also comes with a new filter that has that flame retardant spark arresting foam on the back of it. So you don't have any worries about catching fire or basically the reason that that screen is there in the first place. But it really just opens up your airflow, allows almost unrestricted airflow to be fed to the motor, which obviously is going to return you more power. So these kits are really easy to install. If you can change your air filter, you can install one of these kits. So real quick install, but we also offer them in single filter, dual filter, or triple filter kits. And so the benefit of that is if you have more than one filter, it makes maintenance easy, right? You can rotate those through, cleaning, oiling, and always have a fresh one in your bike when you're ready to ride. So yeah, really cool kit. It's super affordable for what it is compared to the other competition on the market. And so it's a no-brainer. Pick one of these up on our website. If you guys have questions, leave the comments below and I will get back to you. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already for more awesome pit bike content. Thanks for watching.